the UN Office for the Coordination of Humanitarian Affairs is alarmed by ongoing attacks across the Gaza Strip that have left scores of Palestinians dead. Our colleagues are telling us that an airstrike near Kamal Adwan Hospital in North Gaza Governorate last night reportedly killed dozens of people, including health workers. Today, we're also told by our colleagues that staff, patients, and their companions were forced out of the facility. Significant damage to the hospital has also been reported. Just today, another attempt by the UN to reach parts of North Gaza Governorate were denied by the Israeli authorities. Since early October, most UN-coordinated attempts to access these areas have been denied. The few exceptions have faced significant impediments, which often prevent teams from accomplishing the work they set out to do. Last night, another attack was reported in the Sheikh Radwan area of Gaza City. OCHA visited the area and noted that overstretched health facilities were receiving mass casualties from the strike. OCHA's team in Gaza City also assessed the needs of people displaced from North Gaza Governorate, which has been under siege, as we've mentioned here, for several weeks. The team in Gaza City said that few water wells are operating in areas where displaced people have gathered, and the sewage network has been damaged. There is no solid waste management. Hospitals are overcrowded, and people are living in unsanitary conditions that are raising the risk of disease outbreaks. Our colleagues also tell us that people at displacement sites also face risks due to potential flooding. We continue to call on all parties to comply with their obligation to respect and protect in all circumstances medical personnel and medical units, including hospitals and health facilities. Kamal Adwan is one of the last, if not the last, hospitals that was operating in this part of Gaza. Sick and injured children are going into this hospital. We're going into this hospital to get treatment. Sick and injured men, women were also going there with medical personnel, risking their lives in some cases to continue to provide services to people who really need it. And this is why we continue to call for an immediate ceasefire in Gaza. We continue to call for the protection of all medical facilities in Gaza.
Allah Akbar.